I need a wiring diagram for a commercial kitchen vent hood.
Welcome. My name is would be glad to assist. Can you provide some details of the situation? Needing a hood wiring in general? Or connections to an ansul system? Other? Let me know and we can continue, thanks.
I am not sure if it needs to be connected to the ansul system. I know that it needs to turn on if the temperature gets too hot even if the switch is off. Also that it needs to shut down if there's a fire. This is the first time wiring one. I need as much assistance as possible.
Okay, thanks. The standard wiring for all the kitchen equipment associated with the ansul fire suppression system is shown below in the diagrams posted. There can be variations, depending on if there is a shunt trip breaker involved for electric stoves/griddles, three-phase equipment with contactors, receptacles, lighting under the hood, etc. It all comes down to the specific equipment installed in the kitchen cooking area with the hood and fire suppression system. The big item is that the exhaust air fan must stay operating, but the intake air must be shut down on fire actuation. One of the three should be a close or even an exact match to what your equipment will be comprised of in the cooking under the fire system. 1, 2, 3, thanks.
All cooking equipment are to be gas. I will need to install lights under the hood. The intake and exhaust system is 208 volts. So if I understand correctly, I should use diagram 2.
Okay, the diagram 2 with contactors can be incorporated into almost all schemes, because the fans can be connected to one, the lights etc. to a second one, and you can even have a third or fourth. There is no limit to quantity, as everything will shut down, except to keep the exhaust fan running. Plus you can have 2 sets of switches in the ansul system to accommodate different wiring scenarios also, making it very universal. It should work for your application. Thanks.
Thank you, Tommy. You were a lot of help. I am confident I can wire my first hood with the help you have given me. I totally understand it now.
Okay, very good. You are most welcome, glad to assist.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.